welcome back to my channel. My name is Nabina Yasmin and I am in the blog named Glittersy. I talk about fashion, I talk about DIY tips and I talk about the lifestyle hacks. So today we have a very amazing topic on which I will be showing you my video, and that is facial massage. But before proceeding to the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and don't forget to hit the like icon. It helps in removing the dullness of your face and it will bring back the glowingness in your face. Also it helps in uplifting, and thirdly it's helped in blood circulation in your face. So for doing this facial massage, either you should be using any moisturizer which is suitable for your skin, or you can take aloe vera gel, or you can take any sort of oil. For my case I will be using coconut oil over here. So I will take some coconut oil and put it all over my face. So I have added oil on my face. Now the first step would be using these 3 fingers, and you will take it like this. 3, 4 and 5. So the second one would be taking these 3 fingers again and pushing it upwards. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then the regular one, taking this to the end. 5 times. 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the fourth one would be push little bit with your these 3 fingers. Push little bit, then it will go directly to here. 2, 3, 4 and 5. So now the eye part, give it a circular blow with this ring. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So after giving this, we will be using this tip to give it. These are the pressure points, so just dab it. After that, again use this ring finger and this bone under your eyes. Just 5, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And again use this fingertips too. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then take this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Coming to the forehead part. 1, 2. The stress should be on this finger. 3, 4 and 5. And then again with these relaxing hands, just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now giving pressure to this point, we have to do this upliftment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So while doing this, you will feel the pressure over here and here. So that is the correct way. This is the last one. So just give it 3 times pressure. 1, 2, 3. And this is for 1 month, and you will see the different tones that the chin bones would be lowering so much, and you will feel so good about it. This is a very short and very refreshing facial massage techniques which you should do in the morning and afternoon. It will take only 5 minutes of your time, and here is a tip for you. While I will showing you, just make a note out of it or draw the same lines or direction which I have shown in your notebook to keep it handy while you are trying this, or you can open my video and try this out, and you will definitely get that very nice chin, lower chin bone, and also this facial toning in a very good way. Also it will, as I told you in the beginning of the video, that it will help in uplifting and also blood circulations in your face. So try it out and let me know in the comment section. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So I would be wrapping up here. So till then, take care of yourself, take care of your loved ones, be happy, be good. Bye.